Hi, welcome back to the Daily Bread Homestead. Today we did some work on our chicken coop, so we had it on its side for a good portion of the day. I realized that our Barred Rock Hen had not laid her egg yet, so she was looking frantically for a spot. Since we were able to set the coop back up, I decided to go ahead and try to record the process. Did decide to spare you of watching, 15-20 minutes of a hen trying to get comfortable as this egg starts to come out. She was pecking around and trying to make things comfortable for sure. Hey guys, I am trying to capture one of my chickens as she lays an egg. I've been here for about 15 minutes, and so far she's just been rearranging and pecking at the little bedding bits that we have there for her. So at this point, no egg, but she's trying. As you can see, as she has progressed, she gets a little more antsy, and it's almost as if she's looking underneath of her to see if she has laid that egg. Now, I did pull the camera out for a couple minutes just to give her some privacy, and look at that. It's almost like she was waiting for me to give her that complete privacy that she is so used to in her coop. Though I tried to be out of the way as much as possible and just have one hand with the camera in the coop, I know she could sense my presence. Hey, lady. Hi. Ooh. She does not want me to take it yet. Normally they're not too bad about it, but I guess right afterwards they don't want you to take it. Did you lay an egg? Let's see if I can get the camera down in there. Oh. So you lay the pretty white brown eggs. And that is a fresh egg. Very warm. Well done, little chickie.